All right, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction stock update for HIMS and HERS. You guys can see that we do have a price prediction already plotted on our chart, and we were looking for the market at that particular moment in time, May the 9th, looking for the stock to go up. It did that, and it's not by coincidence that the market topped out at a point to where we identified it was a sell pocket. These are probably one of the most important things when you look at price charts are areas, price levels to where people sell and where the majority of the people buy. That is where price is like a magnet, and it tries to attach itself or attract itself to one of those pockets at any given moment in time. That is why we didn't say look for the market in HIMS and HERS to go all the way up to $100 yet, because we need to first get rid of these sell pockets first. And what occurred yesterday, it might just be the high for a while. Then we'll break that down. Welcome to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well to ensure that you guys get my videos, my forecast as to where we suspect price is going to go without any confusion. All right, so now we already hit that 23.82%. Didn't even take that long, maybe a day, or I'm sorry, 2 days, 3 days for the market to hit ultimate TP price. 23.82% there. Let's clean up this chart. Let's get rid of this sell pocket. We could get rid of this sell pocket because it did create a new one, albeit price really didn't go anywhere. Like the pocket really didn't move. Okay. Now what happened yesterday? Okay. Let's talk about the price action yesterday, because we started the day in HIMS and HERS all the way up here at $61.92. The market was so enthused and amped and pumped that they was able to bring the market right back up to that sell pocket, right? And then that's when the sellers became engaged and began to sell all of their HIMS into the market. So much so that the volume also dictates that. Like somebody was real active into the market in HIMS yesterday. So when we look at this activity, where the market opened, how high price went, and where it closed, when you combine that with the volume, hey, it looks as if somebody really was selling. Okay, that's what we're looking at. This is on the daily chart, meaning that the buyers were unable to keep price up. They couldn't do it throughout the day. Now, when you break this down, let's look at this on like the 30-minute chart. Okay, this is what that price action looked like. So it was immediate. Like the moment that the market in HIMS opened for trading, it ran up in 30 minutes, and by the end of the day it did not even come back up anymore. So again, someone is letting us know, hey, I'm trying to sell my positions out. I don't want to hold HIMS anymore, because the buyers did not even come throughout the whole trading day. They didn't even show up. That's what it looked like on the 15-minute chart. This complete bearishness, complete selling. 9-minute chart. Like, where were the buyers at? Could they not prop up the price throughout yesterday's trading for HIMS? Because they definitely didn't show up. So now, that's not a good idea. That's not something you want to see if you're looking for the market to go up. You don't want to see that. Okay. Now, we might see price hold right here though. Okay, that's the buy pocket. Okay, so even though we got this massive amount of volume, even though price closed on a low yesterday, the market in HIMS can still hold this buy pocket that we just created. So we're going to keep our eyes open on this point, this level, about right here. Okay, because if they do that, then all of this volume that hit the market yesterday, it would tell us that those buyers absorbed it, meaning that the sellers didn't do a great job of taking control of price and moving the market lower. So keep your eyes open on that pocket. Now let's look at HIMS on the 2. Okay, so here it is on the 2. What do you guys think about that 2-day bar? Because it's finished. It's not going to change. This is the final printed 2-day price bar. It looks bearish to me, to the point to where that buy pocket we just created, it might not even hold. when you look at this on the 2-day chart. Here is HIMS on the 3. We have 8 hours and 51 minutes left, and it looks almost identical to what the 2 look like. That doesn't look bullish. What about the 4? Again, it doesn't look bullish. Like these 3 4-day bars. This one, and this one. Look at them. They almost look the same. We're getting the same price action as we're looking at the stock trade at this area. Why are these 3 price bars closing off of the highs? That is because someone is selling at these prices. That's the only way that you could get these price bars. Again, it's combining and giving us even more information that this stock is not bullish up there yet. Here it is on the 5. 8 hours, 50 minutes left on the current 5, and we're seeing the market close at the high off the low. Closing off the highs. We're seeing the market close on the lows. And the weekly chart, 2 days, 9 hours. Again, looks pretty bearish now, even though we still got 2 days, 9 hours. That doesn't look too good. Here it is on the 2 weeks. 2 more days, 9 hours. Again, back to back, 2 weekly price bars to where price couldn't hold. The buyers couldn't hold control of price as price ran all the way up there towards 63, 64 bucks. All of this is just simply telling us that someone's selling. And it doesn't look like those buyers are that motivated to come in and buy yet. Okay, so we are going to anticipate HIMS going down. That's going to be our price prediction for this stock. And what we're going to do is grab that prediction, plot it here, and we're going to look for the market to come down. Now, these are our targets right here. We already got pockets created on a chart, simply meaning that we could target the market running to one of these pockets to induce more buying. Because if this stock is still strong in the long term, then we need to look for the market buyers to bounce price off of one of these pockets to continue to go up. Okay. So it may not hold that first one. It might hold this second buy pocket to continue to go higher, or it may come all the way down, test that trend line, test that pocket, and then go up. Okay, so our first target is going to be right here. At the low of it is like 7% move. Second target is going to be at this next buy pocket, 14.13% there. Third target is going to be at the third buy pocket, 22% move to the downside there. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.